Hey there. Today I'm working on my snow blower. We got a big snow last night. Haven't had one yet this year, and the snow blower hasn't ran since last year. I don't know what all is wrong with it, but we need to get it running. So we're going to check for spark, oil, make sure it's getting fuel, and we're going to adjust the skids on it or shoes while we're at it, so it's up and running. We got a really good snow last night as far as Indiana goes, and it's time to do some snow blowing. Welcome to Winging It Garage. Let's get to it. Some of you may be asking what tool set I use. Well, this is what I keep in the truck. Channel lock 200 piece set, part number 39151. And it's pretty good, you know. It's not the greatest. There's a lot of comparable ones. Like, you know, maybe the Hobo Crate one that you can get. But I got this one at Sam's, and it comes with ratcheting wrenches, which is really nice. I love ratcheting wrenches. I have gear wrenches and other ones that are ratcheting style. These are the channel lock ones, but it's nice to have a kit, and you know, just kind of keeps all of them in there, and you have them instead of having to try to build out your toolbox every time. It's not an extensive set. The only complaint I really have with it is the screwdriver would like to fall out, so I just put some electrical tape where it grabs it, you know, and it holds it in place for me when I open it up. And here's the bottom side with all the sockets. It's got all 3 inches, 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter. It's got shorts or standard, longs, a couple of socket or spark plug sockets, swivel, short extension. It's not a half bad set. Gets the job done. So, this is what we're going to use today on the snowblower. Let's get that spark plug out. All right. First, we're going to check the oil. It's been sitting, other than I moved it around a little bit. So, it's not bad. I've seen worse. Doesn't smell like there's any fuel in it or water. Still has viscosity, so that's good. I'll probably change it after we get this snow blow done. Don't know when the last time it was changed, but it'll be fine for what we got to do today. Moving on next. I think I'm going to pull a spark plug and take a look at it. Let's see. Well, this is really interesting. It's the first time I've ever used these spark plug sockets. And the hole, I don't know if you can see in there or not. The hole that the cat typically goes through is, there's rubber in here. It's so stinking cold that it shrunk up to where you can't use it, or it's a manufacturer defect. This one, which is a smaller spark plug, has a lot bigger hole. I'm willing to bet it's a defect. So, no worries. We'll just use a regular old socket then, or maybe I got another one over here in the drawer. Spark plug sockets are all out on the loose. It's okay though. Pretty crumbed up. It smells like a little bit of oil. Let's see. So looking at this, it looks like it's got some oil and some crud on it. It could do for a new change. Part number on that is it's an NGK BPR 68ES. I've seen worse. So let me clean this up. We'll throw it back in there. Try to get by. All right. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. Let's see. That tire's nice and hard. That tire's pretty hard as well. Okay, so I don't think we need to worry about air in those. It might be a never run flat style. Who knows? Let's get the front skids adjusted. Alright, now the way some people do this is they put a piece of cardboard underneath the skid plate, or the edge plate down here where my foot is. You want about like 1/4 of an inch or something like that. Let me see, I've got some cardboard over here. That'll work. So what you do is get this tilted back. Get your cardboard underneath there, somewhere about square, and that lifts it up just enough to keep it off the ground. Now we adjust the bolts out here so that the shoes are laying down on either other side of the ground. Let me get a socket for that. side's done. Maybe you'll see me do this side. Now you don't have to take these all the way out, guys. You just need to loosen it enough to where this skid drops to the ground. And it looks like it's pretty worn. Your skids will wear, but it looks like they're reversible skids, so you might be able to take them off and get some more use out of them. Now it's probably loosened up. Okay, so this one's pretty much on the ground. All right. That is done. That's done. Alright, we put our tools back. Those bolts happen to be a 9/16. And I went and got it out of the toolbox over here. Just because the plastic molds, the sockets are really tight, and I didn't feel like fighting it. You know, because I'm lazy. But put your tools away. Take care of your tools, take care of you. That's the motto. Put the old pocket knife back in the pocket where its home is, so you know where it is. The last bit that we got to do is fuel, and then plug an extension cord in and try to get her to run. See, others are already snow blowing. I'm a little behind, but that's okay. You know, we forgot something. Why didn't you tell me? Does anybody know? There's one thing we didn't do on the list. Well, that guy back there knows. Yeah. Hey, Bob. Let's see if there's any gas in it. I know, right? Think it's gonna need some. Let's find some old fuel from God knows when. Right here next to me. There's a little bit there, ain't there? No, hold on. That should be enough to get it going. Set that out there, because we'll probably need more. Okay. On. Start, stop, run. Chokes. All the way. Key is in it. We're gonna primer. It says 3 times. But I'm gonna do a little more than that because I think she's out of fuel. That's a start. Bring in the thunder, as Derek would say. She's alive. Now it's time to go snow blow. I'm gonna go put my stuff on. You guys can watch. There she is. She's all cleared. Nice and clean. For the most part. Vehicles are cleared off a little bit too. But she's plowed or snow blowed all the way down the sidewalk. I got all out in front of my house on the street so the mailman can get in. We've even got the drainage cleared out, so when all this starts melting, it has some place to go. Can't really see it, but the sidewalk to the house is done too. Well, guys, as you can see, the old snowblower lives. It's good to get out and get a little exercise. It's cold. I don't know if we got any more snow coming in or not, but we're ready to go if we do. That's going to do it for me today. Thanks for watching another episode. Remember, if you don't know how to do it, sometimes you just got to wing it.